is the Schrade SCH222P Pocket Protector Mini Folding Knife, one of 3 models in the SCH222 series. Fashioned to be a lightweight, minimalist cutting tool that packs a punch, the SCH222P Pocket Protector is designed for the fair among us who appreciate a beautiful blade with a fiery attitude. Simple in form, versatile in function, the Pocket Protector features a sharp, edge-holding 2.5-inch blade, crafted from weather-repelling 8CR13 MOV stainless steel. The full-line edge blade comes razor-sharp out of the box and is ready to take on any household or office cutting task. The elegant bead-blasted finish is designed to resist fingerprints and scratches, while the curved blade spine allows greater leverage for fine paring, slicing, and skinning chores. Effortlessly open the Pocket Protector with left or right hand using the ambidextrous thumb studs until the rugged frame lock snaps into place, holding the blade securely in the open position. Fold the blade into its protective handle by sliding the oversized frame lock to the side and lowering the blade. A sleek, weight-reducing aluminum handle slab provides essential grip, and the bead-blasted rear spring clip makes securing the knife to pocket or pouch a snap, as well as doubling as a money clip. Expand your carry options by installing the micro carabiner that's included with the knife for attaching to a key, zipper, or purse. Elegant in style, full of function, crafted from premium materials, and built for a lifetime. This is the Schrade SCH222P Pocket Protector, minimalist folding pocket knife.
This is the Kettlebell by Gerber. The Kettlebell offers a surprising amount of utility in a compact format. The dual choil offers superior grip and control. 7CR stainless steel is tough, holds an edge, and is corrosion resistant. The Kettlebell is available in anodized gray and green. Dual thumb studs offer left or right hand deploy. The frame lock offers secure lockup and is easy to close. The pocket clip offers tip-up blade position for confident carry. Also included is a lanyard hole. The Kettlebell offers the EDC user modern design and strong utility in a compact format.
At CRKT, we are taking a look at the M2104G. This is a Kit Carson design that is an EDC knife. It's sort of a workhorse, big dog knife. The overall length on it is 9.25 inches. The length, the blade length, is 3.8 inches. It's got a titanium nitride finish on a deep belly spear point. G10 handles are going to add a lot of strength to the handle, and they're also comfortable. Check it out in my hand. It is a large knife, so if you've got big hands, this is going to be a good one for you. The pocket clip on it is 4-way reversible, so you can carry it here, here, tip up, or tip down on either side of the knife. Let me show you a shot of it in my pocket to give you an idea of how it rides. To close it, simply pull down on this auto locks tab here. This is a safety feature that we use. So pull down there, push over on the locking liner, and close the knife. Now the reason we do this is it sets a set pin up against that locking liner. So it is not going to close until you pull that red button down, push over, and close the knife. The size comparison compared to my house key there, definitely a large knife. Also, you need to know it comes in VEF serrations. Check that out right there. Those are wicked serrations. They work really, really well for cutting fibrous materials and that sort of thing. Again, this is the M2104G, designed by Kit Carson and available from CRKT. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, be sure to visit our website, and thank you for carrying.
1614 SFG, designed by Kit Carson, has a high carbon stainless steel blade with a non-reflective black titanium nitride finish. The 3.875-inch dual grind blade has a Tonto tip, which is excellent for penetration, and exclusive patented VEF serrations, which offer exceptional cutting of fibrous materials. The G10 handles form an open build frame which is easy to clean and built to sustain heavy use. It also has a stainless steel locking liner which, when used with our auto lock safety, automatically turns the folder into a virtual fixed blade. The auto lock safety mechanism features easy one-handed closing. For convenient carry, the knife has a 4-position clip. The Carson flipper enables a smooth, fast, one-handed deployment, and the dual hilt acts as a blade guard. The Special Forces G10 models have been specifically designed with features requested by military procurement specialists.
So
the Gerber Mini Paraframe Tonto. It's a lightweight folder with a pocket clip on the back, weighing just 1.5 ounces. Up top here you have a blade. It's full fine edge across the bottom. You've also got a Tonto tip, which is great for prodding and slicing. Really easy to open with one hand or both hands. It's the Gerber Mini Paraframe Tonto.
Today at CRKT, we're taking a look at the sleek and simple Pilar. It's an everyday carry pocket knife that those with a well-trained eye can tell this is a Jesper Voxnäs design. He's always wanted to keep things simple, yet interesting. The unique blade shape of the Pilar is great for a wide range of slicing, cutting, and moderate chopping tasks. Overall, this knife measures in at just under 6 inches. The blade is about 2.4 inches long, and this is a compact knife that's lightweight. The weight is about 4.2 ounces, and that's 119 grams. This modified Wharncliffe blade style is complete with a satin finish that complements the overall design of the knife well. It also has a large, comfortable finger choil at the base of the blade to give you maximum cutting control. The frame lock keeps the blade lockup solid and safe when open, and the thumb slot here on the blade makes it super easy when opening and closing. The stainless steel handle has an attractive bead blast finish, and it feels really solid in hand. A reversible clip on the handle side makes for a low-profile tip-up or tip-down carry. There's also a hole at the base of the handle for a lanyard. The story behind the name on this one is pretty cool. Jesper named it after a famous author, Ernest Hemingway's 38-foot-long boat that he used for renegade surveillance of German U-boats during World War II in the Caribbean. Apparently it was Jesper's thought that if Hemingway himself were to choose a modern and useful everyday carry knife, it would look something like this one, so he named it the Pilar. Join us in our social media community. Use hashtag #ConfidenceInHand. And thank you for choosing to carry CRKT Knives and Tools.
I'm Lucas Burnley, and I designed the Squid for CRKT. First factory knife I ever bought, an Ed Halligan Stiff Kiss. I was probably 15 years old, and I still have the knife and I love it, and it's beat up and nasty, and I cracked the sheath. But from that point on, CRKT always stood out in my mind as a brand that basically put out a quality product at like a really affordable price. And one of the nice things is because of the makers that you guys work with, it takes a design that's super high in demand and makes it available to everybody. That's the draw. Like, I couldn't get, a Halligan knife, but I could get his design in a CRKT knife. So when I had the opportunity to start designing with CRKT, it was huge. I mean, it was like playing for the big leagues. It's a family that I've been a part of for a long time. The Squid has been one of my custom models for about 5 years now. The whole concept behind this knife was that of a compact pistol. I wanted to be able to do a really functional tool, a fully featured tactical knife, just scaled down. The primary things that I was really trying to keep were a strong blade and a good grip. I wanted it to be easy to carry and, more importantly, legal to carry in a lot of jurisdictions. So the overall design is really non-threatening, which is great. So you want to be able to have it with you. The blade's just over 2¼ inches long. The locking mechanism on the Squid is a frame lock, which is great, super robust, super simple. We did a deep carry pocket clip, makes it super easy to carry, rides really low in the pocket. External lanyard mount. I love the way they translated this detail. Hollow ground spear point blade, really strong in the tip, false edge, jimping on the spine. And then the next thing I wanted a handle that you were able to really get a good grip on. Even though the overall knife is about 5¼ inches, you don't feel like you're working with something delicate. Just your perfect everyday, compact, hard use knife.